This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Yeeps and signing in. Make sure your 2FA is ready. Go directly to Settings, then Privacy, and tap Anonymous Mode. Toggle it on. Pick a session type, temporary for short tasks or persistent if you plan extended anonymous activity. You do this because Anonymous Mode separates identity, reduces data linking, and limits stored metadata. Once done, confirm changes and inspect the small shield icon in the app header to verify activation before proceeding to actions that require anonymity. Once Anonymous Mode is on, configure session details to tighten privacy. Choose visibility settings, hide profile, hide status, or expose minimal fields only. Next, control data sharing, disable analytics, limit cookies, and block trackers to prevent cross-session linking. Then review per app permissions and assign a temporary, anonymous display name for interactions. You do all this because Anonymous Mode protects both identity and behavioral traces. Make sure to save settings and test with a quick private message to confirm the anonymous persona behaves as expected. To finish, end the anonymous session by toggling Anonymous Mode off. This restores your usual profile and permissions. Make sure to clear local cache and restart the Yeeps app if any anonymous artifacts remain. This removes cached avatars and temp files. If things go wrong, check that 2FA didn't block changes, update the app, and reapply settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, export anonymized logs only when asked by support. They help debug without exposing your identity, and they speed resolution while preserving privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.